wasting time on writing captions, descriptions, and hashtags?
Visit the website caption.ai. Use this free AI tool to generate captions for your images. This is an AI-powered tool that analyzes the content of your images and generates captions that describe them. It generates text, emojis, and even hashtags. How to use it? Easy. Get started in one step. Click Upload an image. Choose the one you want and then click Open. Wait while this tool is generating your text. We get 3 different descriptions for the image. It gives you also hashtags and emojis that describe the text. You can copy it or you can share it on Pinterest. You can now use it on social media or other online content. It is also a great way to improve your own caption writing skills.